Christmas.
Why are you running right here? Go! Cute! Babe, I love it. Leave it. No, welcome to Vlogmas day, I think it's 11. Actually, already, that's crazy. My phone won't tell me unless I'm like in it. Yeah, it's the 11th. That's so crazy. I'm wearing my Make It Rain nutty. Just took Zora outside. It's like 11 or noon right now. You know, late start to the day. Zora was a bit crazy this morning, and I took her for a little while, and then Zach woke up and played with her for a little while, and I went back to sleep. So yeah. Right now, Zach's on the phone with the University of Memphis about stuff, because when are we not fighting with the University of Memphis, honestly? Like, I don't want this to be like a bash Memphis, but honestly, I would not tell anybody in the world to go to Memphis, especially if you're out of state, like out of state like I was. Do not go to Memphis. Memphis is for people who like graduated high school in Memphis. It's like a commuter school. Everyone goes for free if they're from Memphis, pretty much. So yeah, and that's all they really care about. They care about their students who go for free, not about people like me who spend like 60 grand a year to go there. And they're not kind to people if you're not from Memphis. They're just... Zora, do you know we just came in from outside? Literally a minute ago. A minute ago. I started this clip right when we came inside, so you need to chill. So yeah, just as a fair warning, go to any other school in the country. Don't go to Memphis. They're horrible. Every single person who works for Memphis, especially coming from somebody who did work there, do not go there. It's horrible. Do not go there. Are you happy? Oh. Oh my gosh. It's craziest dog. Our dog is crazy.
Crazy.
What are we doing, babe?
Going to see my puppy.
Rufus.
My dad's out of town, so I gotta go take care of him.
Yeah.
And then possibly do the yard work today, but probably not. Probably wait till Thursday when it's gonna be 60. It's raining, but it's
and thunderstorming.
You can't beat 60 degrees.
Yes. It does feel pretty nice out though, you have to admit.
And I have to do the flower beds while they're frozen. That's
yeah.
not fun.
You gotta try and do them while they're frozen. Ooh, the popo. It's the popo, babe. They're coming for you.
Probably. Popo, we're always coming for me.
Did you pick up his food?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi. Hi. Yep. Go run outside. Both of you. Oh, it's shut all the way. That's not nice. Yeah. Be nice. That's Rufus's tennis ball. Right there.
Oh, I think it's dead.
It's cute. It's all fuzzy and cute.
Could be a tarantula.
Babe. Oh my.
I gotta show you from the stairs.
Okay. It was just sitting out here. What the fuck?
It's a real tarantula in there.
I thought you hated spiders.
I do.
So why do you have that?
I don't know. Look at its fangs. There's blood on them. Yeah, you can still like see there's blood.
Fuck.
I know. We used to torture Aiden with this. He thought it was real when he was little. And I just put it next to him and fucking cry and run home.
You're a douche, honestly. Such a dick.
Oh, it used to give me nightmares. I always thought it would come out too.
You know what gave me nightmares? That fucking poster in your room.
What, the Joker poster?
Yes. It was just fucking staring at you as we fucking slept. And I didn't like that at all. It made you take it down when I moved in for a week.
You lived there for like a month.
It was like 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because we got North Creek on September 11th. And I officially moved out of the enclave on like the 29th.
Yeah.
It was like 2 weeks.
Officially moved out, but we were like here for like a week.
Yeah, so 3 weeks.
Before you technically moved out.
Yeah.
Like you were living.
Yeah, because it was nice because your dad was gone. Aw, sweet puppies. Aw.
Oh, Zora got
Oh, Zora got it! Get her, Rufus! Get her, Rufus! Oh, wipe out. Run, Zora, run! He's coming! Run! Run, 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 run! You have the whole yard. Why are you running right here? Go! Ow! Bitch.
Zora's bad.
Rufus is like, I'll wait. She'll just run around again.
See, he's waiting on her again.
Yep.
Boom.
He's smart.
He's like,
I know. She's just gonna come around the corner. Oh!
Reverse.
Yeah, go out. Stop running right here. Rufus is like, I'm not fitting through there.
Oh God.
Go, 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 Zora, go! Get that energy out, girl. Get those little legs running.
Oh, good move.
Get those legs going, Chubby. Get them going.
Zora, give me the ball. Oh, yeah.
That's good, Rufus. Go after her.
Zora, give me the ball. I want to throw it. Just watch them both run after it.
Who do you think's faster?
I don't know. Oh, no.
Oh, Rufus got it. Rufus is like, ha, 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 ha. Look at, he's like shoving it in her face. Like, ha, ha. Oh, you dropped it.
I think Rufus full speed.
Get it from Rufus. Won't Rufus give it to you?
No, not really.
Oh, now Zora's got it.
Yeah.
You dropped it. You throw it. You got a better arm than me. Okay, wait till I'm off her leash though.
Nice, guys. Give me the ball. Okay, you ready?
Hey, 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 hey.
Zora. 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 Zora.
Okay, okay. Oh, Rufus! Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, crazies. Oh geez, what, did that hurt?
Yeah.
Your shoulder? I'm sorry, babe.
Softball career is over.
Zach is showing me, what is it, babe?
My Christmas sweater.
T-Rex Christmas
T-Rex.
sweater. Okay, can I look now?
Look now.
This is Zach's old room. Oh my gosh, that's so cute, babe. I love it.
Look, and he has like little mittens that don't cover his arms all the way. They hang down because it's little short T-Rex arms.
Oh my gosh, and he's wearing like the same sweater that this is. This is so cute, babe. You really gonna wear it?
Yeah.
Really?
And my Chuck Norris shirt.
Oh my gosh. That he wore after Christmas.
A dime.
Zora, what are you doing?
I have another Christmas shirt somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where it is.
Zora, you wanna go outside? I let you outside. Come on, let's go outside, guys.
You want to see what I wore to a football game one time?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's see, babe.
Me and Clinton wore it, actually.
Oh, are those the like onesie whatever sets?
Tuxedo morph suits.
Oh my gosh, you should put it on. That looks like a fucking extra small. I mean, I'm sure they stretch, but
tight.
yeah, you should put it on and wear it.
I'm good.
Oh, Zora got the ball. Rufus is like, I do not give a fuck. Hey, Crazy Nut.
Oh, I gotta bring the practice jersey. Never know when it's time to suit up. I don't remember what this was from, honestly.
Is it from your basketball league?
I think it was like my first one I played in. I
Gotcha.
played in a couple.
You're so cool.
In my heyday, you know?
You're so cool.
I know. I used to be a baller.
Mm-hmm.
This was from, I played with one of my old buddies.
Mm-hmm.
And we played in Hernando.
Hernando. Gotcha, babe.
We sucked.
Well.
No, we weren't that bad.
Mm-hmm.
Wish I could show my average bros jersey.
Where is it?
I gave it back to Joe.
Oh.
Because they're still playing.
Hi, Stinky Butt. Oh, Zora got it. Zora, get your stick. Get your stick, girl. Where's your stick, Stinky Butt? Where's your stick? Okay, bye. Ready? Sit. Down. Leave it. Ah. Leave it. Leave it. Ah. Ah. Leave it. Leave it. Stop it. Sit. Behave. Down. Leave it. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Here you go. Babe, she gets so sassy with leave it. She like tries to fight it. Ready? Leave it. Ah. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Got cat-like reflexes. I can get it before you. No, you stepped on it. That doesn't count. You didn't leave it. Bad. It's bad. Oh, you didn't even eat it. You kicked it. Sit. Down. Leave it. Ah. Ah. Leave it. Get over it. I said leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Ah! You're so close. Leave it. Just a little bit longer. Leave it. Sit. Leave it. Ah. Leave it. Good girl. Here you go. Good girl. Good girl, Zora. Good girl. Good girl. Here, you want to try with the big cookie? Here, you want to bite? It's peanut butter. No, sit. Down. Ah. Get off. Sit. Okay, you're down. Leave it. Ah, ah. Leave it. Ah, leave it. Babe, look, do you see what she does? Here, sit. Ah, down. Leave it. Ah, leave it. What? Leave it. Leave it. Good girl. Leave it. Good girl. Here you go. See, she does though. But she gets like sassy with it. Good girl. Jolly Ball rescue mission. Where do you think it is?
Under the couch.
Where is it? Stinky Butt. Oh. Ow. It is spooted. Spooted is your Jolly Ball. So are you not gonna jump on me so I can get it? You don't even care right now. You just want your Christmas owl. Ah, sit. Sit. Down. Leave it. Ah. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Good girl. Good girl. Go get it. Good girl.
Wait, you saw him?
Woo! Look, and there's a tennis ball down here.
This is where everyone goes to get one.
Babe, is this the tennis ball out of the goose?
Yeah.
Found it. Jolly Ball! It is back!
Oh, I found a plane. He's driving this way. Oh my god, he crashed.
Stinky butt. Stinky butt.
If you find the soy gun, pull out the minigun and just spray it. I want to eat 3. This will be simple. Oh, shit, there's someone up here. Somewhere. I heard a heavy sniper. So we've got to be damn near close. Oh, shit, there's some like, I need this. Full send? Fucking photo there? Wait, huh? Damn, bro. What? That took all 203 shots. Oh, he got a quad launcher.
Zach just got out this candle, peppermint marshmallow. We finished copper coconuts. What do you think of Marshmallow Fireside?
Oh, the fireside?
Yeah.
That's the best one.
Yeah. That one, it like smells like it with a hint of peppermint.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi.
Zora, check out our new flags, girl.
Oh, you want to show the vlog?
Yeah.
They're not new. They're from your house.
Oh, yeah, I've never put this one up, though.
That one's sick. I love that. University of Memphis. Love.
We're gonna have to go some over there.
Okay.
These are super.
Yeah, those are like huge.
These are big.
I'm playing Pokemon.
This was my biggest purchase.
Biggest?
Yeah.
How expensive was it?
Oh, it wasn't expensive at all.
Oh.
I'm just saying it got a lot of attention and other people like DM me trying to get it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where'd you get it?
I got it off eBay.
Oh. Cool. I mean, it's backwards to us, but it's cool. Zach's a little fucked up. He made a very, very strong drink.
Yeah.
And then his Titans flag. And what'd you say, babe? What'd you say we could get?
Oh, Packers flag.
Yeah, we need to. Because we got Zach's teams.
Yeah.
We need to get Packers. And we're probably going to hang them in the spare bedroom. Because I have like my little like tapestry as like our filming background. But I think we're going to put the sports ones on this wall. And I just think it's cool. Do you want to put them up, babe? Or do you want to wait till you're not as drunk?
We can put them up.
Okay. What?
Where's this one going?
I don't know. It could go right there, maybe.
Oh.
Or next to the window, like right there or there.
I like it right here.
Okay. But I mean, when you open the door, it's going to be behind the door.
That's okay.
But we never really open the door anyway.
Yeah, I'll open it like halfway.
Yeah, but when we open it, we like close it right away.
Right.
So. Booty. Shake your booty. Zora, get up! Get up! Why are you sitting right there? I don't like that.
That's what she likes to pay.
Yeah, I know. I'm not tall enough.
Zora, what are you doing?
Zora, get off!
You know what I need
What?
to fit this room?
What?
A golf poster.
A golf poster?
Yeah. Like I need to.
Do you want to just let it free hang, or do you want us to pin it down?
I like free hang.
Okay.
Do you like freehang?
Yeah, that's fine. And then it'll get unwrinkly.
Yeah.
It's like kind of like sticky or something.
I literally bought it like a year ago and I never put it up. I mean, I don't know what this weekend's supposed to look like, but I mean, some of the 50s I'm sure people will play.
What are we doing with this?
Oh, this should probably go back to my golf bag.
Yeah.
I need to see if I can get that reshifted. If I could, oh, that'd be beautiful.
Yeah.
Well,
okay, which one do you want where? Okay, this is hella fucking big.
Is it really?
Sorry, that's
yeah,
gonna bug me. Is that better?
Yeah. Yeah. That's like pretty well. Pretty well.
Ah! No.
Sorry, you were literally really calm just a second ago.
Yeah, that's what happened. Told you I'd come text though.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus.
You sure you want them this low? Yeah, I think that's fine. No, I put it a little higher.
Yeah, probably like match that one.
Yeah. Or
That should work.
Yeah.
See if it's even first.
No, that side's a little low.
This side?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Ow. Zora, give me those. It's for my knee. Do I use them? No, but I still need them.
Zora, bring them up. Hey, put them up. Zora. Zora. Put them up.
Oh, that looks crooked. It actually looks like it's like longer on that side. Does it not?
No. It just looks like it because the white.
There, is that better?
Yeah, that looks fine.
Yeah, it looks even in the camera.
Yeah.
Is there gonna be enough room for your Grizz?
Yeah, definitely. They might have to be like touching though.
That's okay. We need to get a Packers one.
I agree. Alright, you're just gonna have to like put this one on first.
Is that good?
Yeah.
A little lower.
Lower?
Yeah, like that.
Alright.
Like that. There. Nope. How do you feel?
I'm digging it.
Yeah?
Where would you put it? You could get a Green Bay one like that.
Yeah, I would just put it right there.
Yeah, you'd have to get this size Green Bay. Like an actual like.
Or honestly, it'd be cool if we got another Memphis one and did like Memphis, and then we did Green Bay there.
Wait, so move that and put it there?
Yeah, and then we got like another Memphis one, like even if it wasn't the same. But it'd be cool to have like two Memphis and then yeah, get like a Green Bay right there.
I agree. Or nah, hold on.
Stop!
Actually.
Mm-hmm.
No.
That needs to be pulled a little tighter.
You
want me to do it?
got it.
Okay. Oh, you okay?
Yeah. I don't.
Will it?
It's tight.
Okay.
I think this just drips, honestly.
Yeah, it's just like a different kind. That looks a little better.
No, it sucks because it's
Zora, no!
So how I saw it,
Mm-hmm.
these guys, it was like, shoot, it was probably 3 years.
Do you want to see this one? Is like all the way to the corner here. Do you want to move that one?
No, it's okay.
Okay. She's not center on the wall, but it's okay.
Okay, honestly,
Uh-huh.
one of these two, I want to make like a golf corner.
Okay.
And that's where like the poster would go.
Okay.
And I'd probably steal my master's flag from my dad's house.
Okay. So why don't we just do that, golf, and then we could do Packers and Memphis.
Yeah, okay.
We'll do that eventually. Do you want to leave it there for now? You can leave it there for now.
Okay.
Yeah. What do you have now?
Yeah, I want to get like...
We need to clean off that desk. The desk isn't supposed to have golf stuff on it, babe.
I know.
It's okay.
I know, I want to get something like...
I know, you need to get like a little rack or like a little like shelving unit or something.
Yeah, I want to get like a shelving unit and have like all my golf stuff over here.
Yeah.
Like have like...
Like even just like a little one like this, you can put like your shoes, like balls. gloves.
Yeah, I want like an open one where like you can see like all the balls. And stuff.
Yeah. Ugh. Come here.
I'm gonna play with these tomorrow, honestly.
Look at Sassy Bud. That's you. That's you, Sassy Bud. Here, babe, get in our family picture. We can have a nice thumbnail, even though she's like biting my face.
Hi, Joe. Hi. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Ow! Stop being a cooter. Okay, good enough. Oh, you're heavy.
Hey.
Oh.